Hi everyone, I'm Darren, an educational advisor at Blackhawk College. Today, I'd like to show you how to use the what if and look ahead functions on your degree audit. Check out my other degree audit videos for some of the basics. As a reminder, you get your degree audit by logging into My Blackhawk, clicking on the Student tab on the left-hand side, then scrolling down a little and clicking on the Degree Audit button in the middle there. So the first thing I'd like to show you is the what if. This will show you how to use how your degree requirements might change if you change your program of study. You'll want to check in with your advisor before submitting a change of program form, but this will give you an idea of the classes you might need. Check out my other video for details on changing your program of study. Click on the What If button on the left-hand side. From this screen, click on the down arrow key by the Pick a Major drop-down menu. This will show all of our programs of studies in alphabetical order. You might have to look a little bit. I'm going to look for the nursing program here. That's an associate degree in nursing. And it is associate degree in nursing, associate applied science. Once you find it, select it. It should show up over here on the right-hand side under chosen areas of study. If you pick the wrong one, highlight it and click on the Remove button on the bottom. Once you have the right program of study in the box there, simply click on the Process What If button on the top-hand side here, at the top here. This screen will show you how the classes that you've already taken or are taking will fit into the new program of study. Click on the Worksheets tab or Worksheets button to get back to the main screen at any time. The next thing I want to show you is how you might work out your own plan if you'd like. Unfortunately, it won't be saved into our system, so you might have to write it out or enter it into your own Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel program. First, click on the Look Ahead button on the left here. You will need to enter the subject code and course number of every class. Now, say you're curious about Humanities 1 and how that will fit into your plan, and maybe some other classes. We'll say Reading 098, that's like academic reading, and Criminal Justice 151, in order to criminal justice. The first thing that you would need to do is put in the subject code. In this case, for Humanities 101, HUM is the subject code. And it's a 101 course, so 101 would then be the course number. Then just click on Add Course on the bottom here, and the course will show up over here on the right-hand side. Keep doing this until you've entered all the classes you are considering. So reading, I'm going to put in 103, add course, and then criminal justice, 151, and add course. You'll see I said I was going to do reading 098. Whoops, I put in the wrong one. If you need to remove a course, just highlight the course and then select remove course here at the bottom and put in the correct one. So once all of the courses are entered from your plan, hit the Process New button on the top here. This will show you how those classes will fit into your stated program of study. They'll be bright blue, okay? This case of Humanities is a Fine Arts, or fulfilling a Humanities course. The Criminal Justice counts as an elective. And we got to look a little bit, and there's the reading course under In Progress and also under Not Counted. Since it's a developmental course, it doesn't count towards graduation. Now, you do need to make sure that enrollment has the correct program of study entered to use this properly. Please see my other video, as I mentioned, on how to change your program of study if you do need to change it. And always once you hit worksheets here, all of that will be lost, okay? So, as I said, it's not going to be saved. But that's it. Feel free to contact advising at 309-796-5100 with any questions, or email us at addqc@bhc.edu. All right, thanks. Have a great day.